Namaskaram. Now let's learn the Samyuta Hastas, that is double hand gestures as per to Abhinaya Darpana, authored by sage Nandikeshwara. There are 24 Samyuta Hastas. These are the hastas which are done or the meaning is communicated using both the hands together. So let's learn the Samyuta Hastas. Anjalischa, Kapotascha, Karkata, Swastikastata, Dolahasta, Pushpaputa, Utsanga, Shivalingakaha, Katakavardhanaschaiva, Kartari, Swastikastata, Shakata, Shanka, Chakrecha, Samputa, Pasha, Kilakau, Matsya, कूर्मो वराहश्च गरुडो नागबन्धकः कट्वा वेरुण्डकाख्यश्च अवहितस्तथैव च 24 संख्याताः संयुताः कथिताः कराः. Namaskaram. Brubeda, that is the movement of the eyebrows as per to Abhinaya Darpana, authored by Acharya Nandikeshwara. Sahaja, Patita, Ukshipta, Chatura, Rechita, Kunchiterti, Shadevakra, Brucha, Turya Vitikriyat. Namaskaram. There are 13 hastas known as Nritta Hasta. These are the hastas or the hasta mudras, the hand gestures that is used in aduvus or the basic movements like Alaripu and Chatiswara. These hastas will not carry any meaning. They will be used as just the ornamentation to enhance the beauty of the aduvu. So these 13 hastas are assembling of some of the hastas from Asamyuta and Samyuta. So let's get to learn these Nritta Hastas, 13 Nritta Hastas from Abhinaya Darpana of sage Nandikeshwara. Pataka Swastikakyascha Dola Hasta Tatanjalihi Kapitta Shikara Kurmu Hamsa Syoschala Padmakaha Katakavardhanaschaiva Shakata Pasha Kilakau त्रयोदशैते हस्तास्यु नृत्तस्यापि उपयोगिनः.